How to get free camera mode on Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable free camera mode in Roblox. First of all, you have to join a game and position your character where you'd like it to be. Next, go to the top left corner and click on the Roblox icon or press the ESC key on your keyboard. Select the settings tab, then find the shift lock switch option and turn it off using the arrows. If you're planning to record a cinematic, you might want to adjust the maximum frame rate or change the quality settings to fit your needs. After that, you can click on resume. And to activate free camera mode, press Shift plus P on your keyboard. And in this mode, you can move forward with the W, backward with S, left with A, and right with D. Use E to move up and Q to move down. The up arrow key will speed you up, while the down arrow key will slow you down. You could also right-click and drag to move the camera, and use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. If right-clicking does not work, try using the left click instead. And if you cannot enter the free camera mode, it might be because the game or server does not support it. Some experiences only allow free camera mode in private servers, which may require Robux, although some are free. If you're looking to use free camera mode for thumbnails, find a game that supports this feature and has the desired lighting. So that's how you can enable free camera mode in Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.